Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing another box today on my channel that is brand new. Not brand new, but brand new to my channel. And I kept seeing so many reviews of this, so many pictures of this, and I just was like, I have to have this in my life, on my channel. I have to show it to people. And so anyways, without further ado, this is the single swag love yourself box. So a little bit about this subscription really quick. I will link everything in the description box below. So single swag comes monthly, so it is a monthly subscription. It is a lifestyle subscription, which is my favorite type of subscription in the whole wide world, but it is $39.99 a month and totally 1,000% worth it. Now granted, this is my first box, but every month I've watched people's reviews over and over, and I just keep waiting to see, are they going to drop the ball? Is it going to be not so good? And I've loved every month that people got, and I decided I was tired of missing out. It's time for me to get this in my life. So let's get into this box. So this is what it looks like. Uh-oh, dropping stuff. This is what it looks like. And let's see, it says, here we go. Single swag, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag single swag. We pick a winner each month. I didn't know that. I would have been trying to do this every month. Says, love yourself, never settle. And then this is the card. It says, New Year's resolution, love yourself more. Yes. And then it says, relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. Okay. Let's see. Oh, also, if you sign up using my link, you know how I said it was $39.99? You can save $15 off your first subscription. How about that? So if you want to just check this out, sign up for just a month and see what you think. $15 off. Boom. All right. So it tells me each item that's in here, how much it is worth, and a little bit about the product. And then it also tells me the retail value. So again, I paid $39.99. I actually did use somebody's codes. I got $15 off. Woo woo. But I got $226 worth of stuff in here. Yay! Here we go. So the tissue paper says single swag. Cute. What is this? Sponge gel. I love sponge gels. Like, I haven't found one I didn't like yet. They all smell so good. I have not seen this one, but this is the Sponge Gel Zodiac collection. I didn't know they had a Zodiac collection, but it's Earth is the scent. Okay, or I guess Earth is what it's called. The scent is lavender and sea salt. You hear that, mama? If you're watching, lavender. For your butt, for your body. Woo, woo. Okay, anyway. So it's lavender and sea salt buffer. It is worth $20, which is accurate. If you go to Sponge Gel's website, that is very accurate. So that tells me right there that they are giving you the true tea when it comes to the prices. Not all subscriptions do that. It says, love your skin with this beautifully packaged body wash infused butter designed to cleanse, moisturize, rejuvenate, and restore every inch of your body. This all-in-one beauty treatment is dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and made with lots of love in the USA. So here's this guy. Has like the moon on top. It's really cute. Open it. Oh, and it's a star. But these are sponges infused with body wash, and they smell amazing, guys. That smells really good. Mama, you might want to get this box or order you this from Sponge Gel. All right, so that's item number one. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Starting off great. Okay, this is the next item. Okay, so this is by Violet Harper. It says Castaway Necklace. So let me read about this. Violet Harper's Silver Pave Loop Castaway Necklace. $68 necklace, guys. Your message in a bottle. That's funny because my channel is Gina in a bottle. Your message in a bottle is here. And it's love yourself with this striking, sophisticated necklace, perfect for everyday wear and layering. This necklace features a 16-inch chain and 4-inch extender. Well, let me see what you look like. Oh, how cute. Packaging, guys. Packaging is everything. Okay, so I take my little cork out. And this is the sachet. This is cute. I'm keeping this bottle for sure. So cute. I need to like just write like Gina or something and put it in there so it's Gina in a bottle. I know, cheesy, but hey. Nothing wrong with being cheesy. All right, necklace. So this is the necklace. How pretty. That is very pretty. I love it. It's gorgeous. And yeah, it slides up and down, so it's not like in one place. That's gorgeous. All right, single swag. I hope you guys are like excited about this box like I am. Like, tell me in the comments below, like, have you been checking out this box? Have you never heard of this box? Do you receive this box? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Like, what's going on in your lives? I like to hear that too. Okay, so this is the next thing. And this is by Molly.Jacob. It says, all eyes on me brush set. I love brush sets. Okay, let's see if it's a good one though. Ensure your eyes are always on point with this 4-piece essential brush set that includes all the tools to create the perfect smoky eye or look you're going for. The set includes an angled brow plus liner brush, cream eye brush, eye shader, and base shadow brush. Okay, and then if you like what you see, like when I show you these, you can actually get this same brush set if you go to mollyjacob.com and use code SINGLE and you get 40% off. That's a great deal. So let's see what they look like. And it retails for $24, okay? So this is what they look like. Oh, these are cute. Look, they all have a saying on them. So this is the cream eye one, but it says good vibes. It's a good brush. That's a good brush, guys. Okay, the next one is the base shadow. See, it tells you on one side, and then the other side has the saying. This one is the base shadow, and it says, this is me. These are cute. Then this is the eye shader, and it says, make it happen. Yup. These feel really good. Then the last one is a brow and liner brush. And it says, eyes on me. That's cute. All right. This box is really good, guys. Okay, so I read about that. What's next? What's next? What are you? So this is Loretzi Cosmetics. And this is lip gloss. And the shade is Knockout. All right, so let me read about Loretzi real quick. Loretzi lip gloss retails for $18. Formulated to give you an effortless high gloss editorial look while removing the stickiness and the glue-like feeling to create the ideal finish. Designed for ultimate comfort, each swipe is packed with a mega dose of unreal hydration. Keep shining. How pretty is this shade? That is very pretty, guys. Love it. Very pretty. So far, the subscription boxes I've been getting lately have been giving me like really pretty colors of lippies. I've had some give me some not so cute ones or not my shade, but I've lately been getting very lucky. So this is Knockout by Loretzi, okay? That's a pretty shade. All right, here's the next item. Is this where it says a special surprise, maybe? I don't know. Here we go. So this is Mr. Brownie. Rich, moist, and fudgy blondies. Oh, I love blondies from Applebee's. Yummy. And it feels like there's 2 brownies in here. This is just a special treat. So it's, yeah, 2-pack for $4. Indulge in these delectable, rich, and moist brownies made with real Belgian chocolate and other premium ingredients. Enjoy right out of the package or follow the included heating instructions. So I guess there's heating instructions. Oh, yep, here it is under the label. This is cool. Okay, I don't mind that. I haven't had that before. All right, so here's the next item. So this is, let's see, Nail Bay Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Black Fossil Wood Mask. Activated charcoal, diatomaceous earth, green tea, licorice, and aloe vera. And then, like, you see the cap is actually like wood. That is so cool. So that's my wood mask. All right, let me read about this. This deep detoxifying treatment containing all natural ingredients like activated charcoal, green tea, licorice, and aloe vera is designed to eliminate impurities from your pores and reduce black spots for a luminous look. $26, guys. And it has a safety seal. That is the cutest, like, this cap is really, like, wooden. All right, so I did the lip gloss, the mask. Says something about snake leather. I'm waiting to see what that is. Okay, it's probably pleather, but all right, let's go. So here's this. Sorry, getting ahead of myself. Headbands of Hope. Ooh, that's pretty. There we go. It's a pretty headband. All right, let's read about it. Headbands of Hope Twist Turban, $18. This chic, stylish headband is both soft and comfortable and contains an elastic strap on the back to ensure a secure fit every time. Best of all, for every headband sold, including yours, a headband is donated to a child with cancer. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome. So each one. So this also a child with cancer got. A child with cancer got this headband. That's cool. Love that. Okay. This must be my snake skin. And that is everything in the box. So this is the last item. So let me go ahead and open this up. Okay. It's kind of fraying a little bit, but it's all right. I can trim it up. So that's what that looks like. It's a very pretty light blue. Let's open it. Inside is black. That's actually really cute. Jules K. Okay, let me read about that. Where are you at? Jules K. Gin Snake leather pouch with detachable wristlet strap. $48. Elevate any outfit or look while keeping your belongings secure with this premium leather pouch with detachable wrist strap. Wear as a clutch or throw it in your handbag or tote. That is beautiful, right? Yeah, so this is like light blue. I think it's very pretty. Anyway, so that was that. Tell me guys what you think in the comments below. What did you think of Single Swag? Is this your first time seeing it? Do you receive it? Are you thinking about signing up? Just tell me all of that. And again, if you use the link that is in the description box below, you get to save $15 off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I do want to continue to receive this subscription, so it's not going anywhere for a while unless they let me down. But yeah, so please comment on the video below. Leave a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. I would love to have you, love to get to know you. And don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.